presenting a pre-owned 2018 Volkswagen Golf. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 1.8-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Volkswagen is a great value with less than 32,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.